This is the Marcy Diamond Elite Smith cage, and the company says it can replace your entire gym. But after spending solid sessions squatting, pressing, and cable training on it, I found some surprising truths they don't show you in the ads. Stick around. By the end, you'll know whether it's a garage gym game changer or just a bulky piece of metal you regret buying. Marcy Diamond Elite Smith Cage Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Marcy Diamond Elite Smith Cage, model MD9010G, is an all-in-one home gym system from Marcy. Released several years ago, the model has been around long enough to build a solid user base. It's aimed squarely at lifters who want a full gym setup at home without needing a full commercial gym membership. The big selling point, it combines a Smith machine, free weight Olympic rack, cable pulley system, and leg and bench station, theoretically covering pretty much every major strength move you'd want. Marcy Diamond Elite Smith Cage Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use? Over a few sessions, I did squats, bench presses, cable crossovers, seated rows, and leg extensions. Bottom line, it performs well for a home gym system, especially if you're not pushing pro bodybuilder levels of weight. Squats and presses feel solid. The Smith bar glides smoothly thanks to linear bearings and chrome guide rods, giving a predictable, stable movement. With safety catches, you don't need a spotter, which is great if you're lifting solo. Cable work is surprisingly versatile. The dual cable crossover plus lat pulley system handled lat pull-downs, tricep push-downs, seated rows, and felt comparable to lighter commercial gym cable machines. Even without weight stacks, you load Olympic plates and treat it like a traditional rack when you want free weight freedom. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes this machine more than just a rack. Linear bearing Smith bar plus Olympic rack compatibility. The Smith bar rides on sealed linear bearings along chrome guide rods. What that means, bar movement feels smooth and controlled, which reduces jerkiness from subpar sled systems. You also get the option to load Olympic plates and treat it like a traditional rack when you want free weight freedom. Cable pulley system with dual high and low pulleys. You get a full cable setup, lat pull-downs, seated rows, cable crossovers, tricep push-downs, and more. For someone wanting a full-body strength routine with both free weights and cable work, this integration means you don't need a second machine. Multifunction bench with leg developer and preacher curl pad. The included bench is adjustable and works for flat, incline, and near decline presses. Attached, a dual-action leg developer for leg extensions and curls, plus a preacher curl pad, so you're getting quad, hamstring, and bicep isolation in the same station. Safety and storage features. 6 Olympic plate pegs help you keep plates organized. The machine includes adjustable bar catches and safety stoppers, so heavy lifts like squats and bench presses are safer, especially if you're training solo. Design and build. Aesthetically, Marcy didn't go for bling, but for rugged practicality. The frame uses heavy-duty 14-gauge square steel tubing, finished with a powder coat that helps resist rust and wear. The base is off-floor, which means no need to bolt it down, yet it stays stable under load, although a rubber mat is recommended to protect the floor. The bench padding is dense foam with vinyl upholstery. It isn't luxury leather, but it's firm and functional, ideal for heavy lifts without feeling cheap. The leg developer uses 6 big roller pads and has a well-designed pivot point for proper muscle isolation. Pros. Versatile. Covers 100+ exercises, squat, bench, cables, leg curls and extensions, rows, and more. Heavy duty, built to last. Strong steel frame, 2,000-pound cables, linear bearings, and powder coat finish. Safe for solo lifters. Adjustable catches, safe Smith bar, cable system, and leg and bench attachments. Cons. Assembly is a beast. Many users report difficulty putting all the pieces together, parts not labeled, and a need for 2 people. It doesn't come with weight plates. You'll need to purchase Olympic plates separately. Final verdict? If you've got the space and you're serious about strength training at home, the Marcy Diamond Elite Smith Cage is a compelling all-in-one solution. For homeowners, apartment dwellers with a spare room, or garage gym builders, it offers what feels like a full commercial gym in a single footprint. It's especially appealing if you lift alone, because the safety catches and Smith bar glide give you confidence when pressing or squatting heavy without a spotter.